place where I am standing is Mahadaiwada of Vanthe village in Bhirunda village panchayat area of Sattari. This is the river Mahadai. The role played by this river in the life and livelihood of Mahadaiwada is so much that the people consider this river as their lifeline. They consider this river as the great mother, and that is why not only in Sattari but in various villages of Khanapur Taluka of Karnataka, people consider this as the great mother and worship this river as Mahadevi, as Sateri, as Kirbai. So this river enters Goa in a place called Kadwal of Sattari Taluka. This river originates in Degaon of Khanapur Taluka, traveling through the mountain passes. The river comes to Gawali and then take the U-turn in the direction of Goa and entered in a village called Kelil of Kushnapur hamlet, and then through Kadwa the river entered Goa. Uste to Ganje was the patch of the river which was once upon a time used for navigation, and even today Goa Tourism Development Corporation has introduced whitewater river rafting right from Uste to Sondal. So this river offers so many things to us. This is the river which nurtures the biological, zoological wealth of the area. The apex animal in the food chain, the tiger, roam in this area, and presently the presence of 3 tigers in Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary has been proved. The Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary offers shelter to the rotten free-tailed bats, Thaposite tube-wildy bats, and so many different types of the mammals. One can see the sloth bear, one can see the largest venomous snake, king cobra, one can see the southern birdwing, Malabar tree nymphs. So beauty of this region is this river, and this river is flowing through this jungle when there was no Himalaya was existing, when there was no Ganga river flowing. So this is the area which has the history of more than 3.4 billion years. And the Mahadai rises through such jungle, Ragado, Dudhsagar, Kotrachi. These are the various tributaries of the river Mahadai in Sattari Taluka. Karnataka government has planned the project of damming and diversion in Kankumbi under the title of Kalsa, Haltara, and in Nerse, Bhandura. So they want to construct the dam in Kankumbi at Kalsa side. The second dam they want to construct in Chorla village known as Haltara Dam, and the third dam they want to build up in Nerse village near Khanapur known as Bhandura project. So if these 3 projects get materialized, that will going to cause lot of ecological harm not only for the Goa but the state of Maharashtra as well as Karnataka. So it is high time for all of us to know the ecological, cultural, religious significance of this river in the life of the Goan. So let us join hand together and protect the biological wealth of this river and the richness of this river. Protection and conservation is the need of the hours.